Have you ever wondered how to make $10,000 this holiday without working hard for it? This strategy can be a game changer if you're looking for a fresh approach to making money online. So watch to the very end because this could lead you to that $10,000 goal. Now, the first step is about creating something valuable for your audience. Imagine you're passionate about a particular topic. It could be cooking, it could be fitness, it could be any niche that you're into. Now, it's time to turn that passion into an ebook. When you're passionate about a subject, it's easy to create content that resonates with your audience. This is your starting point. You pick a niche that you love and let's move on. Now, let's talk about your ebook. You can create your content from scratch or take advantage of PLR content that saves time. PLR content is like a shortcut to your ebook creation. Using PLR content can be a lifesaver, making it easy for you to get your ebook off the ground. Now, once you have your ebook ready, it's time to use it and create a free offer that attracts people to your email list. Now, this is where the real magic happens. We're shifting gears now and talking about sales funnels. Don't let the term intimidate you. It's not as complicated as it sounds. In fact, it's a powerful tool that guides your audience from the free book to your paid product. Let me break it down. First, you need to set up a sales funnel. There are many platforms out there that build sales funnels, but SWAPFUNNELS has funnels that's already pre-built that all you have to do is swap out the images and the text and you're done. Think of sales funnels as a series of steps that takes your audience from being interested leads into paying customers. Now, let's discuss the secret sauce, the Amazon affiliate marketing. Now, you might be wondering, why Amazon? Well, Amazon is a massive marketplace with countless products in every imaginable niche. By becoming an Amazon affiliate, you can promote your products that relate to your ebook's niche. When your audience clicks on your affiliate links and make purchases, you make a commission. It's like having a side income while offering valuable content. And once you have your ebook and your sales funnel set up, it's time to promote your products. This is where you can start attracting future customers. You can promote your ebook through social media, email marketing, and content marketing. Share snippets of your ebook's valuable content and create excitement around it. This will pique your audience interest and drive them to your sales funnel. The real key to success in driving traffic is to your sales funnel. This means more people seeing your offers and possibly making purchases. Use the power of social media to engage with your audience and offer solutions. Content marketing is your best friend. Create blog posts, videos, and podcasts related to your ebook's niche. Share your expertise and demonstrate how your ebook can be the game changer for your audience. Don't forget the power of email marketing as well. Building a list of engaged subscribers can lead to repeat customers and higher revenue. If you want to make that $10,000 by this holiday, use the strategy I just told you and it's time to take action. Start by choosing your niche, creating your ebooks, and setting up your sales funnels and exploring Amazon Marketplace. It's only 4 steps. You can do this. The opportunities are right at your fingertips, all from home. If you want to dive deeper into strategy and successful lead gen creations on sales funnels, click the link in the description. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.